Hi, do you guys want to see something really, really pretty? Insanely pretty? Look. Look at that. Goodness. I absolutely love exploring new areas. I love the outdoor. I love being out in nature. It's so soothing to my soul, and it's just soothing to myself, and it's the one place where I just kind of forget about everything. This is so pretty. I can't believe that this is my view all the way back down. That is so gorgeous. Goodness, and then to top it all off, we have the moon up there too. She's so cute. Anyways, today was a really, really good day. A nice, relaxing day, and I cannot wait to see the pink sky. Anyways,